Siri, are you proud or what?
Yes, I am. See, are you done with that here?
No!
So beautiful.
Hey guys, in today's video is about getting ready for the beach. I'm gonna start by applying my Maybelline primer on my face. Then I'll go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in shade 430. Next thing that I'm going to do is to fill out my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna brush them with a spoolie to blend out the color. Now I'll take a concealer to clean up my eyebrows.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you.
For my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm gonna start with this tan shade and run it over with the brush. And I'll go in with this shade called Brunette and apply it on my crease. Next, I will apply this beautiful red called Fire. So I decided to go for this orange shade called Sauce and apply it on my inner eyelid. I'm gonna go back into this red shade and apply it on my outer corner so that it blends seamlessly with the other one.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run.
To highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12. I decided to go in with the Maybelline concealer because the other one got finished. To contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Mesh Sticks in shade Espresso. Then I'm going to blend the contour out. Now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and set under my eyes.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling.
Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline powder and apply it on the rest of my face.
Chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be alone.
I'm gonna go back and dip into the shade Fire and then apply it on my lower lash line.
Feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Then I'll apply eyeliner to the bottom of my eyelid. I will then take my Lottie London Shimmer Squad palette and use it to highlight. Now I'm gonna take a brown lip liner and line my lips. Then I'll go in with my Makeup Revolution lipstick in shade Lust. Then after, I'll use my Primark lip gloss. To set my makeup, I'm gonna be using my NYX setting spray. Well guys, how do you like the finished look? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Until next time, goodbye.